Get ready for a relaxing visualization exercise. We will be taking an autumn forest walk, so get comfy and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. Now exhale gently. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tensions in the body. As you continue breathing, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful autumn forest. You are about to take a peaceful walk through nature. Imagine yourself standing at the entrance of a quiet forest. As you begin to walk, you notice the towering trees, their leaves ablaze with the rich colors of autumn, golden yellows, deep reds, burnt oranges, and soft browns. The sunlight filters through the branches, casting a warm glow on the forest floor. The light flickers as a gentle breeze rustles the leaves. The winding path before you is covered in a soft carpet of fallen leaves. The trail meanders gently through the forest, inviting you to walk deeper into the quiet embrace. As you walk, you come across a small, crystal clear brook. The water glistens in the sunlight, bubbling and swirling over the smooth stones. The forest floor is a mix of damp earth, moss, and fallen leaves, creating a rich tapestry of colors and textures. Take a deep breath and notice the smells around you. The forest air is fresh and cool, filled with the clean, earthy scent of soil and fallen leaves. There is a subtle smell of wood, pine, oak, and cedar. The smells of nature fill your senses, offering calmness and serenity. Listen closely to the peaceful sounds of the forest. With every step you take, you hear the satisfying crunch of the leaves underfoot, a rhythmic sound that blends harmoniously with the natural world around you. Above you, birds are chirping. Their songs are bright and cheerful. Some call to each other in gentle melodies, while others chirp quietly as if to keep you company on your walk. You can hear the soothing sounds of the brook as it babbles softly, the water flowing over the rocks and gently splashing as it moves downstream. Occasionally, you hear the rustle of small animals. Perhaps a squirrel is gathering nuts, or a rabbit is scampering through the leaves. These sounds are soft and quick, adding a sense of life and movement to the peaceful stillness among the trees. Now let's focus on the sensations you feel. A cool breeze gently brushes against your face, crisp and refreshing. It carries with it the scent of the forest and a promise of change that comes with the autumn season. The air is cool, but you feel warm and comfortable in your clothing. Each step you take through the forest brings a sense of grounding and connection to the earth. As you walk, you stop to place your hand on the rough bark of a nearby tree. Its texture is rugged but comforting, a strong and silent presence, ancient and enduring. As you continue to walk, you bend down to dip your fingers into the brook. The water is cold and clear, flowing smoothly around your hand, a gentle reminder of nature's constant movement and life. As you walk deeper into the forest, take a moment to pause and look around. You feel a deep sense of calm washing over you. The forest is peaceful and quiet, a sanctuary from the busyness of life. The trees, the brook, the animals, all of it feels connected, and you are a part of that connection. The forest wraps around you like a gentle embrace, providing a feeling of safety and relaxation. The quietness is profound. The stillness brings clarity and a peace to your mind, like a gentle clearing of any worries or thoughts. Take a moment to simply stand in this place, letting the sights, the sounds, and the smells surround you. Feel your breath moving in and out slowly, in harmony with the rhythm of the forest. You feel a deep relaxation settling into your body. The weight of your stress lifts from your shoulders, and you are filled with a sense of contentment. As you slowly make your way back along the path, you feel the tranquility of the forest resonating within you. The colors of the leaves, the babbling of the brook, the soft songs of the birds, all of these are now part of your experience, bringing you peace and serenity. Now slowly bring your awareness to the present moment. Remember the peacefulness of the forest, the sounds of the brook, the cool breeze and the crisp air on your face. Take a deep breath in and hold on to that sense of calm. And when you are ready, and only when you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this tranquility with you into your day.